Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can pixelate a face in CapCut PC. So go to Effects and kind of click on Video Effects, and you'll find Body Effects here. If you can't find it, that means you haven't updated the app, so make sure you do that first. Select Body Effects, and you're going to just scroll down until you find this face mosaic. You're going to just add it to your track, and this is what it will look like. You can also adjust the size here and also the range of the pixels, but I'm just going to adjust it like so. And that is how you can basically pixelate a face on CapCut PC. If you don't have this, I think you can use the effects, like the video effects, and just search mosaic. Let me try that actually, so you guys can do it even though you haven't updated the app. So I'm just going to add this mosaic one to track, and I'm just going to actually copy and paste this like so, and I'm going to adjust the blur, and I'm going to select these two videos and effects and create compound clip. Oh, I accidentally selected this too. And then use the mask tool and then use circle, and then you can also kind of do it the same as I did before. Just maybe feather it out just a little bit. That's another way to pixelate somebody's face, I guess. But yeah, that is it. That is how you can pixelate someone's face on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!